Look at this beautiful, colorful stuffed capsicums filled with flavorful rice and baked to the perfection to get that smoky flavor out of capsicum. It tastes so delicious and makes your plate look absolutely stunning. And the best part is kids love to pick their favorite choice of color, whether it is red, yellow or green, making mealtime more funful and exciting. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here I have kept all the beautiful and colorful vegetables and some grated paneer ready. Next part is to make the capsicum balls. To make a ball, use a knife and carefully cut the top portion of the capsicum. Gently trim around the seeds section and remove the seeds from inside. This gives you a nice and pretty colorful capsicum balls. I have 3 different colors here. They all are de-seeded and they are ready. Let's move on and start making a flavorful rice to fill into this bowl. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil, about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Fry it very well until you get that bold burnt flavor out of it. Next I'm adding 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Once it turns slightly transparent, add 1 chopped carrot. Cook it very well. Next add 1 cooked potato. Adding mashed potatoes helps to bind the rice together and gives a slightly sticky texture that makes it easy to stuff rice inside the capsicums. Add salt as per your taste. Next I'm adding about a tablespoon of Schezwan sauce. Feel free to use choice of your favorite sauce here. For the stuffing you can be more creative and you can make your favorite choice of stuffed rice. Next I'm adding some frozen corns. Add about half a cup of paneer. I'm saving some paneer here for garnishing. Along with potatoes, paneer also gives a nice binding for the stuffed rice. Add about 1 cup of cooked rice. Give it a good mix until everything gets nicely combined. The stuffing looks perfect. It is ready to go inside the capsicum balls. Fill the rice only about 3/4 and then top it with some grated paneer and sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Do the same thing to all the remaining capsicums. Now it's time to put the top part of the capsicum back, the capsicum lids. After closing the lid, drizzle some oil. Now it's completely ready for baking. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Wow, exactly after 40 minutes of baking, look at those capsicums, how beautifully they are roasted and slight smoky finish. Let's take off the lid and see inside. Wow, it looks perfect. Here you go. Pick your favorite color and let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.